You mentioned the customer experience and relationship.
Yes.
Do you want to take more of a
Yes.
dive into that and how you address that in the book?
Yeah, because I think that's quite important. So coming back to our customer journey, right, and we can think about different connected customer experiences as acting on different parts of that journey. So one connected customer experience we call respond to desire. So here you have a customer who knows exactly what they want, right? I need a car to take me from here to the airport right now, or I need some accommodation in Chicago next weekend, right? I need to buy this book right now, right? And so basically what this company says, look, press this button, right? And I make this part of the customer journey as smooth as possible, right? As I take out all the frictions, right? And again, sort of Amazon is a great example, right? So with the one-click shopping, right?
So
one
helpful.
click, boom, it's done, right?
Yes.
So that we're taking out all the frictions of that. Now, can we do better? Well, because sometimes as a customer, I don't know exactly what I want, right? So I'm sitting in front of my TV, I open up Netflix and say, I'm in the mood of a comedy. Now, if Netflix responded by saying, that's great, Nicolaj, and we've got 10,000 comedies for you, that's not very helpful.
But it's been more helpful in recommending suggested movies and shows.
And so that we will call curated offering.
Okay.
Right? So rather than saying we've got 10,000, we're saying, look, here may be the 5 that you like. And oh, by the way, here's a new release that you may not know about. Right? And so that's what we'll call curated offering. So I start to learn more about the customer. I can custom tailor. I can personalize my offering. I can maybe even start to anticipate some needs that you might have. Going even further back in the customer journey. So this was kind of the part of understanding kind of what are all the options out there and helping you decide what's the right option. So that's really curated offering. Next step early in the customer journey is becoming aware of your needs, right? And so that's what we call coach behavior, right? So I know I should take my medication, but I'm forgetful, right? I want to lose some weight, but sticking to the diet is hard. I want to finish my marathon, but I have to run every day. Okay, right? And so, right? So if you can help me achieve these deeper goals, right, I'd be happy kind of with that. So we would call that a coach behavior connected customer experience. And then lastly, there's what we call automated execution, where basically my printer reorders its toner. Right? So printer knows it runs out of toner. Why cannot my printer send a request to either Amazon or someone else, Office Depot, and they just send me the toner? And so I never run out of toner. Right? So in this case, you're just sort of shortcutting this entire customer journey. Right? The company knows about your need before you even know that you have that need. And I solve that problem before you even realized you had that problem. Okay. Now, a couple important points. Number one, we certainly do not suggest that automated execution is always the best solution. Okay, I think some people in Silicon Valley kind of believe that. We certainly don't. When I sit in front of my TV, I don't think I want Netflix immediately start streaming a movie, right? I mean, that would be automated execution, right? I think I'd rather like some curated offering.
Well, you lose some type. You lose a little bit of the interaction or the customers. How would you even say this? You lose a component there, I think, in that relationship and that response. Yeah. If it's automated, you kind of remove me from the equation.
Correct.
And you're just really dictating to me what I should be consuming or purchasing, right?
Right. Now I just would change the word dictate, but
okay.
Other than that, I completely agree.
Is that a strong word? Okay.
But you're absolutely right, and that's the very important point why automated execution is not always best. If you feel it is dictated, then we didn't choose the right way of interacting. Right? That's exactly the point that you're making, right? Because it feels, I've given up all authority, right, in that, right? I've given all the authority to you. Now, when it comes to reordering toner, by the way, I'm completely fine with it.
I'm okay with
right?
that. Or if it's a medication refill, right?
Exactly.
That's fine.
Exactly. And so this is why we're saying, you as a company have to be really careful of deciding what is actually the correct customer experience that you want to create. It's not one size fits all. It's not automated execution is always the best one, right? You need to really understand your customer, because some customer, again, find this is just amazing, and some people find this really annoying, right? And even the same customer with different purchase opportunities will have different feelings about this, right? So companies really have to create a whole array of different connected customer experiences to really have a good connected strategy.